out the other side. What's that sound? What do you think it is? If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right. Igglepiggle on. We're going to catch the Ninky Knock. Oh no, it's the Ninky Knock. Catch the Ninky Knock. What's that? Can you
see them.
pretties? If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right. It's the Pinky Pop. Here is a house. Whose house is this? And are they in or are they out? It's the Tomblyboos. How many can you see?
See them? How many is there?
Tomblyboo on the floor. Tomblyboo, here is my nose. Tomblyboo. That's how it goes. It's the Harpoos. Harpoos. Upsy. Harpoos.
It is, isn't it? Oh, there's birds. There they are, look.
Yeah, there, and all that. What else do you see? That's right. It's the Tittifers. Let's listen to their song. Who's here? It's Mack cave. Is he in? Yes. Hello, Mack. Are you clapping your hands today? Can we clap with you? Ready? Macka, acka, wacka, micka, macka, moo. Macka, acka, yakka, icka, acka, coo. Dum, acka, pang, ding, and ding. Macka, acka, wacka, micka, macka, moo.
Who's that over there?
Where's your bed?
Who's here? It's Upsy Daisy. Hello, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. It's Upsy
What are they doing there?
Say Upsy Daisy. Hi, Upsy Daisy. You're my favorite.
Are you blowing kisses, Upsy Daisy? Let's blow kisses to Upsy Daisy. Bye-bye.
They're sleeping. Hi, ducks.
I'm sure.
Hi, ducks. Your nose.
It's the Pontypines.
They are
All
they?
together, off we go.
Their house sleeping.
It's Igglepiggle. Yes, my name is Igglepiggle. Igglepiggle, wiggle, nickle, diggle. Yes, my name is Igglepiggle. Igglepiggle, nickle, wiggle, woo. Look, there are all of Igglepiggle's friends. Goodbye, Harboos. Goodbye, Pontypines. Goodbye, Tomblyboos. Goodbye, Macca. Goodbye, Upsy Daisy. Goodbye, Igglepiggle. It's time for us to go.
That's this book. He tells the story every day. Different story. That's a good dream. Isn't that cool?